This is Ranger Kidwell Russ. I'm at the APWA PWX show in 2019, and I'm in the TrafficWrapz booth. I'm here talking to Herb Kickenack, and he's going to talk about what TrafficWrapz is and does.
Yeah, so our company is a beautification company, and we specialize in wrapping traffic cabinets, utility cabinets, any type of metal structure. And our film is, we co-developed it with Dupont. It's called TW360, and it is a graphical film that can be applied to traffic cabinets and and it'll provide graffiti-proof protection.
This is an example of
this is an example of a wrapped cabinet. This image here is from the city of North Bend, out of their historical archives. So what we do is we take historical images or local city art or regional art and manipulate the art to fit on your cabinet, and then we install it. It's a graffiti-proof film. It's UV resistant. Up to 10 years. After 10 years on the field, it'll be UV resistant for at a 70% rate. So it's a very durable film. As I said, we co-developed it with Dupont. It is very graffiti-proof. You can clean this cabinet if somebody happens to tag it. You can clean it with anything from MEK, acetone paint thinner, all the way down to normal household detergent, and it won't harm the film at all. And you can clean it several hundred times before it would, or several hundred times, and it still would not show any effects of having been cleaned.
All right, yeah, because graffiti and tagging is such a
big
problem
issue
these days. Yeah,
big
and
issue.
This is a way that people in cities could really feature their city and what the history is and that sort of thing. I like that concept.
Yeah.
Or have the art of the city and so forth.
Right. Or some cities like to do wayfinding on it as well. That's also a possibility.
Okay. Well, thank you, Herb.
Yeah, thank you.
And I'll fade into here, and
I can give you a plate. I have an extra plate I can give you. And then if I get your info, I can send you.
There you go.